Good morning, students. Myself is Yogesh Barad, and today we'll see the standard 7th lesson number 10, that is a banks and the simple interest. And last time you are seen about the practice set number 40. In that one, you are seen very important formula how to find out the simple interest from the principal, rate of interest, and the time. And that formula is I is equal to PRT upon 100 is there. And afterwards, we are seeing how to find out the interest from the amount and the principal. For that one, I is equal to A minus P is one of the formula. Now today we'll see, or today we'll go for our next part. In that one, that formula only have to continue. See, in this one we have to see when a three of the four quantity, principal, time, rate of interest, and amount are given. To find out the fourth, in the formula we place any letter in a place of unknown quantity and solve the equation to obtain to find the answer. See here, now our next formula is this only, but in this one, see, whatever here four quantities are there, from the four quantities in exam they will give any three quantity, and you want to find out the fourth quantity. Here I will take one example from your textbook, that is solved example is there. Principal is 25,000, amount is 31,000, time is a 4 year. They ask here what is the rate of interest. See here, you want to find out the rate of interest means R you want to find out. Then here first you find out amount minus principal, you do it and you find out first interest, because afterwards you want to use I is equal to PRT upon 100, that formula you want to use. Before to use this formula, first you find out interest. How you can find out the interest? Amount minus principal means amount is 31,000 minus 25,000, that will comes 6,000 will get interest. Now using the principal 25,000, time is 4 year, and the interest is 6,000 rupees, you use a formula I is equal to PRT upon 100. Okay, then here I value they are given 6,000, principal they are given 25,000, rate of interest R you keep as it is, time they are given 4 upon 100. Then here you have to simplify this. See, this 2 0 will get cancelled, and afterwards you want to rearrange this one, and after rearranging we'll get here R is equal to 6,000. If you take this 100 to this side, we'll get a division will become a multiplication, and 25,000 multiplied by 4, that numerator will comes to denominator. See here, I want to find out the value of R. That time you want to rearrange these things. When you are changing the side, that time division will become multiplication and multiplication will become a division. See here, we'll get this format, and afterwards here we want to simplify this and you do the cancellation work, and when you find out the R value after the calculation, we'll get R value will get 6, means the rate of interest you are getting 6 PCPA. Then this type of example you want to solve in our practice set number 41. See here, I will start my practice set number 41. In this one, first they ask here some MCQs are there. If the interest on 700 rupees is 340 rupees for a 2 year, the rate of interest must be how much? See here, they are given a principal, they are given here interest, and here they are given a time, and they are not given a R. Then how to solve this? And here below they are given the options. Here how to solve it, here I will show you. You have to use here formula I is equal to PRT upon 100. Then here I value they are given, P value they are given, R value you want to find out, and multiply by 2 is the time upon 100. Here see, this 2 0 will get cancelled. This 340 equal to 17 into R into 2. Then I want to find out the value of R. 17 2s are 34. R how I can find? I will shift this 34 to this side. Multiplication will become a division. Then R is equal to 340 upon 34. We'll get a 10%. Means here answer will come here 10%. That is option number 4 is there. One more question they ask here. If the interest on 3,000 is rupees 600 at a certain rate for a certain number of a year, what would be the interest on 1500 under the same condition they are given? See here, for if the interest on rupees 3,000 is 600, see here 3,000 is rupees 600, but they are not given here R, they are not given here number of year, but here they make the amount whatever the 3,000, they make it here 1500. Means here see, the amount make it here 1500, then definitely whatever the interest is there for certain period and for certain rate of interest that will become a half or not. 3000 half is 1500, then 600 half is also will come 300 or not. Therefore here answer will come here option number 1. But here how to solve this one I will show you. See, in this example we have to solve this one. This first principal 3000, first interest 600, second principal is first principal's half, that is 3000 divided by 2 will get 1500. Therefore here whatever the second interest on that second amount or that principal, we have to make it I1 divided by 2, that will get here 300 rupees. Then this way you can get the second one MCQ here. Okay, now here third one question is a word problem. That is a Javed deposited 12,000 rupees at a 9 PCPA in a bank for some year, and they withdraw his interest every year. See here, and the end of the period he had received altogether 17,400 rupees. For how many year had he deposited his money? See here, this question is related to our amount. They are given 17,400, principal they are given here 12,000, and interest you want to find out first. Then how you can find the interest? Amount minus principal, that will get here 5,400 rupees, and afterward you use the formula I is equal to PRT upon 100, because here they ask here for how many year had he deposited his money, means here you want to find out the time. Okay, then you are put the value of interest, principal, rate of interest, time you write as it is, and 100. This, see, this 20 will get cancelled, then 5400 equal to 120 multiply by 9 into t. Then you want to arrange this, you want to find out the time. Then you take this 120 into 9 to this side, means 5400 upon 120 multiply by 9, means here multiplication will become a division, and after simplification will get a 600 upon 120, and again if you 0 will get cancelled, then 60 upon 12 get 5 years, that is he deposited his money for 5 years. This will get the time. Okay, then one more question is there, fourth one, that is Lata Ben borrowed some money, means borrowed means what, she take a loan from the bank for 10 PCPA for 2 years and start a cottage industry, and she paid 10,250 rupees as a total interest. How much money had she borrowed? See here they are not given the principal. Then see, if you not understand the one time that question, you read second time also, and first you write down what they are given. Then here rate of interest is 10, time is 2.5, means 2.5 years will come, and I they are given here 10,250, and here you want to find out the principal. Then how you can use this formula I is equal to PRT upon 100, and substitute all this value and do it simplification 1. We'll get this 10,250 into P into 2.5 into 10 will get 25 upon 100. Then 25 ones are 25, 25 into 100 will get a P upon 1 upon 4. Okay, or you can solve this well. So 10,250 multiply by 100 upon 25, and after simplification we'll get a value P is equal to 41,000. Then this is about the examples in which from the four thing they will give any three things, and you want to find out the fourth one. Okay, and in next video we'll go for our fifth one question.